Hello, this is postuploader.com. We are SEO-friendly blog post formatting and publishing expert. If you want to format your blog post by us, you may contact with us. Okay, let's jump into today's tutorial. Do you want to get this kind of button with video pop-up option? For example, I am clicking on this button and you see a YouTube video is going to pop up, or Vimeo video or any other types of video will pop up when your user will click on that button. If you want the same types of button for your blog post, so this is the tutorial for you. Today I will guide how you can create a video pop-up button in WordPress. And before adding that button, we need to install a plugin. So I am going to the plugin section. After that, click on add new plugin. Then search here with Kadence Block. You see, this is the plugin. Gutenberg blog with AI by Kadence WP page builder features. So I already installed and activated that plugin. So for your blog, firstly you need to install and activate this plugin. After that, let's visit all post section, and I want to open a exist post in Gutenberg blog editor. After that, I want to display that video pop-up button under the introduction paragraph. So click on add block. After that, search here with button and you will find various types of button block, but you have to choose this button bracket ADV. This button is coming from Kadence block. So select that button. After that, in the right side, you will get multiple option. You can make this button customization from here. For example, right now it's displaying as fill button. If you want, you can make outline button or theme button or fill. I love to keep the fill button. That's perfect. After that, what should be the button size? So you can make it a small, medium, large, or even XL. So large is standard size, I think, for my website layout. And button width, you want auto, fixed, or full. So I think auto is the perfect. So I kept it auto, and I have to write here a text for the button. So as a example, I am writing it video pop up button. Perfect. So right now I have to give a button URL from YouTube as I want YouTube video pop up. So I am going to YouTube and searching my post uploader YouTube channel. So I want to make video pop up with this YouTube video. So I am taking this video URL. Even you can take video URL from the browser section. That's not a problem. So I'm copying it and clicking on this button, and after that at the right side you will get this box and you should click this arrow icon, this arrow. Click here, and after that you have to click here and click here. In the third option you will get video pop-up. You see, this is the video pop-up. So you have to select that one and paste your YouTube link above that button link box. After paste, just click on submit and save that post. and view the post. You see button is displaying here. Now I want to click on that button and want to check is the pop-up working or not. So I just click on button. You see pop-up is opening and it's playing perfectly. So by following this tutorial, you can enable or add these types of pop-up button for your blog, and it's very user friendly. Today it's done. If this video was helpful for you, please subscribe my YouTube channel and share this video. And if you face any problem about your website blog post formatting, please comment below. I will be very happy to solve your problem. Thank you.